Sabi nga po nila, this is not the end, this is just the beginning. Thank you so much as well to the Synetics in charge of our audio and sound. So, few reminders for students for the return or retrieval of your toga and your toga cap dito po sa gilid. Okay? Students, your graduation caps and toga should be returned on this side. And then, your exit will be here. Students, your exit will be here. Parents and guardians, doon po ang exit nila. Okay? Once again, for those students, you will return your toga caps and toga gowns in here. Okay? So, distribution. Alright. So, remember lang po, once you return your toga cap and gown, you need to sign. Kailangan ito pumirma.
Hindi po siya babalik sa inyo. Okay? Ang babalik ko lang po ay yung toga at ang cap. Kailangan po.